Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and turn on the Duronic DH07 dehumidifier. So let's just take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a Duronic DH07 dehumidifier. I'm just taking a look at the details that's on the box packaging for this compact 1 litre water tank capacity dehumidifier. And this one is in white. It's also produced in black as well. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by cutting apart the clear packing tape very carefully with a penknife. And perhaps cutting into that tape a bit deeper, and there we go, pulling out that box tab and lifting up the box lid to reveal the Duronic DH07 dehumidifier. And let's tip the contents out from its box packaging and making sure that we've removed everything from the box. We can seal the box back up, or close the box back up, and just setting it on the left hand side of the tabletop and giving you a look at the contents that we've just removed from this Duronic DH07 box packaging. So on the tabletop right there, let's start off by taking a look at this booklet and just opening it up. There is information for this dehumidifier in various languages. And of course a diagram as well. And just setting the user manual for the Duronic DH07 to the side and giving you a look at the dehumidifier itself straight out of its box packaging. There is a warning sticker on the bubble wrap packaging, so giving you a look right there about the disposal or removal of the bubble wrap packaging and making sure that it's kept away from babies, children and animals. So giving you a look at the dehumidifier as it is straight out of its bubble wrap packaging. And of course we can see there are some parts and packaging inside of the water tank. So just sliding the water tank out from this 1 litre capacity dehumidifier and removing the lid or cover for the water tank. We can see that the water tank has a smoked design to its clear plastic, and once again bubble wrap packaging, just keep that away from babies, children and animals. And giving you a look at the adapter or power supply that comes with this dehumidifier. So just laying the contents out and closing or replacing the lid back on and sliding that water tank back into the dehumidifier, and once again just laying the contents across the table's top so you have that full and clear view of what to expect. Okay, let's go ahead and open up this clear plastic packet, which is recyclable. And here giving you a look at the power supply or power adapter to this Duronic dehumidifier. So it is, or does have a 3-pin UK plug, and of course giving you a look at the connector end as well, or plug or pin end for this adapter. And I'm going to undo the cable tie to give you some sense of the length of the cable. Something to note when sighting or positioning and placing the dehumidifier. So just uncoiling the cable, and there we go, giving you a look at the length of the cable for the power adapter or power supply. So just going to set that down and to the side as we move back to the dehumidifier. So in terms of dimensions and weight, so it weighs approximately 1 kilogram or a kg, and the height 22.5 centimeters tall, and for the width across it is 14.7 centimeters across, and then for the depth it is 12.5 cm deep. So 12.5 cm deep, 14.7 centimeters across, and 22.1, or beg your pardon, 22.5 centimeters tall or high. So once again, 22.5 centimeters high, 12.5 centimeters across or deep, and 14.7 centimeters wide. So now giving you a much closer in look at its details, you can see the Duronic branding in a grey on its overall white body, which has a matte finish. So giving you an overall look at the details. So looking directly at the back of the dehumidifier, we can see the port for the power adapter pin to plug into. Of course, taking a look at the bottom as well, you can see that it does have round pads on all four corners of this dehumidifier, giving you a look at the specifications right there on the sticker on the underside of the base. And once again, I mentioned the smoked effect finish on this clear water tank, so it does have that grey hue to that clear finish. And you can see the vent at the top as well, just under the very top of this dehumidifier, and the controls or buttons or panel at the very top. So we do have a 6 or 12 hour timer, button for the light, and the on off button. So shut off timer for 6 and 12 hours, light selection button, and the on off button. And to give you some sense of its size, just resting it in my palm. So once again, approximately 1 kilogram or a kg in weight, with a very solid and sturdy design with this ABS plastic in a pale or soft white. And you can see, of course, the inlet from the back and the top vents for the air to vent out at the top. Okay, now let's go ahead and plug it in. So we're going to plug the pin into the port at the back, and of course plugging the power adapter supply into a mains outlet and turning it on. And we can see that the LEDs or LED indicators along those buttons did light up very briefly. Oh, and before I do that as well, I'm going to give you a clear look at the water tank. We can see that removal of the water tank does light the LED red, just to indicate, like, warning that the water tank has been removed. And let's see if we can turn it on with the water tank removed. So there is that safety built into it that we cannot turn on the dehumidifier with the water tank removed. So giving you a clearer look at the water tank itself. So 1 litre capacity water tank. Also made of a mostly sturdy plastic. Same with the lid or cover for the water tank. And of course, the mechanism, the float mechanism to shut the water tank off or the dehumidifier off when the water tank is full. So there we go, giving you a look as it is. Water tank in the dehumidifier. Let's turn it on by pressing on the power on off button at the top. Now you can hear the sound and the LED that's built into it, just cycling through to various colors very softly with a very smooth transition right there. So giving you a much closer in look. And of course a listen. To the sound or noise that this Duronic DH07 dehumidifier makes. So I can feel at the top air flowing out from the front as well as the back. Vents. So very gentle flow of air. And let's press on the light button and we can see that it's turned off the LED. Let's press it again, back into a cycling mode with the colors. And let's see if we can, or if there's any further adjustability for the lights. Okay, so it's just a simple turning on or off as far as I can determine, just simply by playing around with that LED button right in the middle of the 3 button row of controls right there. So no way to lock the color, but nonetheless just simple off or on that goes straight into a cycling pattern. And now let's press on the timer button. So the timer does have 6 and 12 hour indicators. So pressing again shifts it to a 12-hour automatic turn off, and again cancels the timer. So 6, 12 or no timer at all. But of course it does have an automatic shut off as well with the built-in float that's on the underside of the lid. So simple operation with this Duronic DH07 dehumidifier. So giving you a much closer in look and of course a listen. To the noise level that it produces, as you can see, and hear this dehumidifier in action. And let's try playing around with the on-off button to see if there's more to it. So it does appear to have a low power mode. As you can see, button is slightly in a bluish tone or hue, not so much that you can see on the video, but I can tell you that it is a soft blue, and pressing it again does turn it off. Let's turn off the lights, and there we go. So two modes, or two power modes of operation. A low power mode right there, where the indicator goes to a soft blue, and you can hear the sound or noise that it produces. And of course a much lower airflow compared to now the standard or normal mode. And hear that it is much louder compared to that mode in the low power mode. Okay, so two power modes with the normal and low power mode, and of course with the low power or sleep mode, there's no option to turn on the LED light or night light. So light is only functional in the standard normal mode. Let's go to the low power mode and see if we can turn on the timer mode. So the timer modes still do work in the low power or sleep mode. So just playing around with the various buttons for the simple and compact dehumidifier. So there, sleep mode and off. So on, sleep or low power mode, and off. So that's the Duronic DH07WE dehumidifier. Thanks for watching and happy dehumidifying.